Are senior citizens too old for a young Filipina? Do you think you would really love him or just love the thought, of having a better life?
Maybe no, because they like the men because of the money.
So does it mean you would date a 62 plus year old man? Yes or no?
Yes.
Hi everyone, my name is Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. Are senior citizens too old for a young Filipina? Well, we will take this question to the streets of Goa, Bicol, Philippines and ask Filipinas themselves. Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. Are senior citizens too old for a young Filipina? Let's start with you, Be. Yes or no?
Yes po.
How about you, Ben?
Yes po.
Are senior citizens too old for a young Filipina?
Yes.
In your opinion, Be, are senior citizens too old for a young Filipina?
Ano po, no.
Are senior citizens too old for a young Filipina? Yes or no?
No.
How do you feel about young Filipina, like 18 to 30s, dating men in their 60s? Do you think the Filipinas really love them?
I think yes, kasi yun na yung
Yun na yung
yun na yung mga nangyayari ngayon.
So she said she think yes because that's what's happening now. Okay, how about you, Be?
Maybe no, because they like the men because of the money.
That's reality, right?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know anyone that are, in a relationship just because of money?
Yes po.
A friend or family members?
Friend.
Oh, oh no.
Alam mo ko
Okay. Anyway, we respect their answers. How do you feel about young Filipinas like 18 to 30s dating men in their 60s? Do you think the Filipinas really love them?
Para po sa ko, may man po yan sa edad pag-abot sa love. Kasi kahit man po sa edad man po yan o sa katayuan sa buhay or ano po, basta yun na po 'to, may man po andiyan di man po andiyan tigihiling. Kung love mo po ang sarong tao, yun na po 'to.
Okay. So, when it comes to love, it doesn't matter if that person is, way older than you, right?
It
Or
doesn't matter nga ni.
yes, age doesn't matter. And she also said that even if the person is poor or rich, if they love them, right? They love each other. Would you date a 62 plus year old man since you said no? Like, it's not too old for a senior citizen to, to date or to be with a young Filipina. Yes or no?
Siguro po, yes.
Okay. So you would date a senior citizen, right?
Opo, it depends naman.
Okay. She said yes. Okay. Anyway, do you think you would really love him or just love the thought, of having a better life? Para sa mo ba, mamahalin mo ba talaga siya or mamahalin mo lang siya dahil lang duman sa thought na magkakaigwa ka ng maray na buhay?
Para sa ko po, mas gusto ko po so word na love po, kaysa po sa iyo po, minsan po kaya nagkakaigwa kita ng maray na buhay pero mayo man po so na iyan may maray na buhay ka po pero kung day mo man siya padaba mayo man po garay.
Okay, so she said she prefer the word love because if you don't really love the person because you're just after his money, it's not like, it's not gonna work, right?
Yes po.
Yeah. So love, right? You would love him, right?
Yes po.
Not because of his money.
Yes po.
So does it mean you would date a 62 plus year old man? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Do you think you would really love him or just love the thought of having a better life?
Ano po, para po puwede pong ano po, para po sa kuya is matured sa love, matured is enough po sa kuya. So, para po sa kung mga teenager man lang po, like grabeng naloloko, grabeng na ano, na teenager. So, duman na lang kita sa mas matured sa tuya. Kasi kaya nindang i-handle po ang sa tuyang sa di ay ang sa indang partner. So, kung matured ang ano mo, partner mo po, so mas better na maging ano, 'di man po 'yan hadlang para sa tuyang 18 and sa ano, sa magiging partner ta na mas maedad pa po sa to.
Oh, so she says if she has to choose between a young or an older man, she would choose older man because nowadays, younger man they tend to cheat, right? And then the older ones, they're the one who like they're matured enough to handle the relationship or you, right? Yes. Okay, so that's why you would date a 62 plus year old man, right?
Yes. Ano, so sa ano po kasi, sa mga naranasan ko like mga teenager po, like sa minsan po may nakakaano man po ako na mas ano sa kuya itong may edad po ako tapos so ano bako po. So ang nangyayari po is ako si matured tsaka susaro po dae. So then nagfa-function po ang sarong relationship pag arog po kahit ng
Okay, so she had a past relationship where she's older than her boyfriend, right? And then their relationship doesn't function that well. So if she has to choose now, she rather, date a senior citizen. How do you think the majority of Filipinos view such a large age gap? Ano ba yung parang opinion kang kadakla ng mga Pinoy when it comes to large age gap?
Like what I said, ano po, maybe they
They Ano bang naisip yung gap?
they think that ano po, hmm, especially po sa mga ano, mga foreigner na nai-inlove ay Pilipina nai-inlove sa foreigner, maybe ano po, wrong sa tigan lang po din nga dahil sa kwarta po.
So she think maybe some Filipinas in a relationship with foreigners, they're only after their money. So that's what you think, what the majority of Filipinos think about the large age gap, right?
Yes po.
Okay, just to make things clear. How about you, Bear?
I think po ano, ang okay na ito para sa inda kasi sa panahon ngunyan puwede na iyan kumbaga bako ng big deal.
Oh, so for her, it's okay for them because nowadays it's not a big deal, right? Being in a relationship with with such a large age gap. How do you think the majority of Filipinos view such a large age gap? Ano ba para sa imo yung mga yung opinion kang mga Pinoy, kadaklan na Pinoy about sa dakulao na yung age gap?
Ano po, they will think po na ano, maglolo arog kaan, maglola arog ka.
Oh, she said that the majority of Filipino will think that their grandfather or grandmother with a granddaughter or grandson. How do you think the majority of Filipinos view such a large age gap? Para sa imo ba, ano ba yung mga opinion kang kadakla ng mga Pinoy or Filipino when it comes to large age gap?
ano po, ang iba negative tapos ang iba positive. So, kung ano ko po, so para sa kuya man, so ano siya, positive po siya sa kuya.
Okay.
So, kasi ang age gap po ba? Ano po, natural na po 'yan sa tuyang mga Filipino na ano po talaga na may maedad ang lalaki, minsan maedad ang babae. So, minsan naman maedad ang babae, maedad ang lalaki. So, pag-araw po kaiyan, common naman po 'yan sa tuyang mga Filipino citizen and Filipino ano lovers.
Okay. So she said that the majority of Filipinos would think negative and positive, but on her opinion, for her, positive because it's very common here in the Philippines to have, to have such a large age gap. Can you tell us some negative comments from or negative view from other Filipinos? Ano ba yung mga negative na tig-isip ng ibang Pinoy when it comes to large age gap?
Minsan iniisip nila na halimbawa po si lalaki gurang na
Mm.
tapos may medyo may kwarta arga ayan tapos sasabihan ka ayan, "Ay kwarta lang ka ayan ang hahanapon." So, dahil ninda iniisip na di man ninda aram si kung ano talaga si naging rason kung taano naging sinda na may sasabihin na, "Ay kwarta lang ang habol ka iyan." Tapos sasabihin na di man talaga totoo ka na 'pag nagaganyan.
Okay. So she said that the negative is when they see that the man is older than the Filipina and then that man is, has money, people or Filipinos tend to think that the Filipina is only after his money and when he dies, she'll have the money, of course. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, Beb. Thank you so much.
Beautiful reflection